grinner. I don't know no.
The point is, if I buy some from Japan or from China, no matter what I pay,
Look at what's the picture you got on your Discord.
real ones
Man, let me look one more time.
Buy some real handmade ones and make them actually fucking.
I got my Lookout Racing logo. Man, I shouldn't have made another Lookout Racing one because man, it's getting everything confused. It's like I got two. I shouldn't have made that one. Yeah. And I disconnected the old one. I hate that it's even in my. I ever created it. Dang, I messed up.
You need the ignition. You need 12-volt power from battery.
Oh, there goes Suge Mike right there. Yeah, but that's the wrong one, Suge Mike. Yeah, he on the old one.
Fuel pump.
Yeah. I hate that old one still work. I just added you, but I shouldn't have.
Other than that,
You're gonna be getting them mixed up. I just accepted you, but that was on the old one. I thought I discontinued, logged out of that one. Oh, it's still set to online. How in the hell? God. I don't know which one I need. I done messed up. That's all I know. I'm gonna just delete the app and re-put it on there. I don't know. I just accepted. I don't know, man. I thought it wasn't even working. Man, what's going on? Yeah, I ain't gonna be here till no 2 o'clock, y'all. That's out. Get on Amazon and find me some new good gloves. Anybody got any recommendation? I don't want none of them old bulky gloves. I gotta add one more rule to it. You been doing good. One more rule that you messing up, that I'm gonna tell you why. Is your burnout, you going too far. You need to don't go past the 60-foot cone. The reason why is because you doing a burnout to get your tires hot, but you driving on a cold ground. So when you drive all the way half track on that cold ground, then banging all the way up on that cold ground, then you defeating the purpose. Okay. So you just need to come up just a little bit. Bring it back, keep all that hot, you want to try to bag right back up in your hot track. Okay. You know what I'm saying? Right. That way you in the warmness and them tires stay good and hot and warm. Right, that's already. So now, and your time gonna get faster and faster. You're gonna see improvement because now you're gonna have a hotter tire, stickier tire. Another thing that's the reason why you don't want to go half track is because you picking up all them rocks that's half track. And that's gonna cause you to not have as much traction off the line compared to if you just and then bag it up. Ain't no rocks on you. Okay. You don't want no rocks, no cold, nothing. Just heat, glue, stick. That's it. That's what we looking for. All right. Already. I thought you was finna go, but I'm glad you came back one more time. TikTok too. Lookout Racing, everything. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, everywhere. I'm everywhere. Look out! They got that wash machine. Got 2 wash machines. General Electric versus. What's up with it? Look out! I'm gonna have to delete the app as well. I got a Discord with just the old Lookout with the car picture. Golly, yeah, I'm gonna start back over. Okay, yeah, y'all. So now y'all see the rest. Now y'all see what the rest of the line looking like. It done cleared up. We about to head back over here and go see what it do. What it do? What it do? Race some, don't. And where they stealing all that glue from? Look at what I do. Man, Team Thundercock, that was you, man. You the one made that new one, and I ain't know made me make one. Had me feeling like I needed. I had a whole bunch of stuff to do. Then next thing I know, you done already did it. Like messed up everything. Now Soup Mike, all confused. That's our boy too, man. You gonna turn Soup Mike to that that don't know how to work his phone that good. These things come with a strong rear end in them, I guess. Cause he be dumping the clutch on her.